You ever start out to do something and then it just turned into a little bit of a project, and next thing you know, you got your welding helmet on and you're out here fabricating. So what we got here is this is a crab cooker, your typical propane tank with your burner. Now the problem with this burner when you're trying to run a wok on it is, first of all, you need one of these rings just to hold the wok in place. Then you put your wok on there, you fire that up. But look at this big space in here. There's a lot of cross draft, and all your heat's blowing away. Your flame is just kind of flickering around in there, and all your heat is kind of, whoop, there we go. Your heat's just kind of washing out of there. So I figured if I got me a little ring, so there was my idea. I was like, hey, there's a little ring, that's great. And I tried it out. I put it on there and I fired it up, and see how there's just a little space. If you get it centered, it's about 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch, and it's perfect. And you can see how hot that ring got. It's like turned blue. So it's definitely focusing the heat in there, which is what I want. You got to push it down in here a little bit. So then I was thinking, well, the other part of the problem is the underneath. Look how much heat just blows away from there. And the air is, just kind of passing over everything. So I figured, well, I need one more ring. Now, luckily, I had a water heater go bad in December, and of course, I never throw anything away without cutting it up into pieces. And this is the outside shell to my water heater. So this is going to be my little ring, outside ring with a little cutout dog mouse hole there for the propane line to go in. So I got to clean off the inside of this, weld this together, and fit that onto the bottom of the thing here. I'll show you. So it'll be kind of like that. So now you've got this whole big shield around the outside, keeping the flame protected from the wind, so not all your heat's blowing around up there, and you got 2 layers holding all the, of course this will be scrunched down to where it's going to have to be fine-tuned. I didn't even weld it yet. So yeah, and preliminary testing shows it's going to work great.